Greetings family, we're live in Revolutionary Cameron. We're at the Cape Coast Holocaust Dungeons and we have our good brother here that have returned the second time. And I want to find out from him, how's your experience for the second time in the dungeons? The first time you cried like a baby, you cried so much tears, but today I didn't see one tear fall from your eyes. How you feeling today?
Today is a day of, let's say, success story, or a day of
Graduation.
Graduation, yeah, that's what I call it there, the graduation. So today I feel like everything is accomplished. We're in the days following up to the end of One Africa, but coming to the dungeons, it fulfills everything. You know, everything you feel like you've worked for. Well, I've worked for in the past 4 years, and leading up to this trip, I feel like I've accomplished a lot. And so on this day, you know, leading up to the graduation, I feel like everything is complete, well done, perfected, and 4 years of my work has paid off and returning back to Ghana, West Africa.
I'll shade to that, brother. And we have our tour guide over here, and he has this incredible t-shirt on. Where did you get this wonderful t-shirt?
Oh, there's a wonderful t-shirt from Africa for the Africans.
And this is inspired by Marcus Garvey right there.
Yes, it is. You know,
so when we say inspired by Marcus Garvey, what is really inspired by Marcus Garvey?
His words has inspired us. Look at the Black Star, which became the Lodestar of the whole Africa freedom. Africa is the best place for you to live. Black Star will always lead us. You are all invited to come and have an experience of this wonderful day, wonderful week, wonderful time with Africa for the Africans. Come to the motherland and you'll be embraced with 4 hands. God bless you.
Appreciate your energy. Appreciate your energy. Now we're here at the Cape Coast Holocaust Dungeons. I know here in Ghana it's called the Cape Coast Castles.
Yeah.
How long have you been educating our people in Africa and the diaspora about this experience?
Oh, I've been educating my brothers and sisters from the diaspora. This is the 21st year or 21 years, you know, in this business. Talking about the culture, talking about the tradition, talking about the customs. They need to come and learn. Their life has been infiltrated by the whites. You need to come and see, feel, and touch the original life, the original things that they left. They need to come back and experience it once again.
Excellent, excellent. Thanks for the energy.
Thank you,
and I'm
brother.
going to pass this energy we got going here. And we have one of our beloved elders here. And it has taken you some time to return to the motherland. And how do you feel now that you have made it and you have came to the return point of where our ancestors were taken away?
I always wanted to make this trip. I never thought I would get a chance to do that. But now that I'm here, I have seen my people in their natural state. I have learned a lot about my culture. We in the United States have been forced to adapt to a culture that is not our own. And I believe that's one of the difficulties, that why we are having so many problems. I would encourage everyone, African Americans in America, to get a chance, visit the motherland, learn about your culture, learn about your heritage, learn about that which was done to us before we were infected with the culture of our enemy. And I am enjoying myself tremendously, and I do intend to return to Africa in the near future.
Yes, my brother. Well, appreciate your energy and thank you for sharing. And let me see if we can get one last energy.
Yes,
Greetings,
yes.
my brother. How you feeling?
I'm feeling blessed. Just
a little
like
while ago, you pulled us together and said, let me get all the brothers together and take a picture for the strength. Can you explain that, how powerful that was?
Well, the brothers are going to work it out. The brothers have to work it out. And I felt the need for all of us to at least, you know, capture all of this energy, all of this beautiful, indestructible melanin together in one photograph, you know. This has been truly an enlightening experience. Something that every African, whether they know that they're African or not, needs to experience. We've lost so much. We've been displaced from so much. And we've been robbed from so much. So to not experience this, you're doing yourself a disservice. Wherever you are on the diaspora, within the diaspora, you need to make this pilgrimage because you may not leave.
Excellent, excellent. Well, thank you for your energy. And let me just give everyone a view of the ocean that our ancestors saw, and when they looked out, our ancestors had no idea of where we were going, where we were taken, and for us just to be back here and to see the same view respectfully, and to be able to come together, to pull our energy together, to move forward is powerful. And I thank our ancestors for blessing us with the strength to being able to make this journey to return, as we look to inspire others to return to the land of their ancestors and get their blessings.